A long, long time ago, I can still remember how that music used to make me smile. And I knew that if I had my chance, I could make those people dance, and maybe they'd be happy for a while. Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing, this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I
die. This is the hotel that I stayed in. This hotel. Candidate fees in the
listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around, 'cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I've indeed, I've died, 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 I've indeed, I've died. I'm blue, I've indeed, I've died, 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 I've indeed, I've died. I'm blue, I've indeed, I've died, 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 I've indeed, I've died.
ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ರಾತ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಸಿಲಿದೆ ಎರಡು. ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. 7:45 ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಸಿಲು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ.
ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಟೋಪಲ್ ಕೂತು ಬೀಡಿ ಸೇತಾರೆ
ಕಾರ್ 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 ಎಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾರ್
ಕಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋಡಿ ಕಾರ್
And to the finale, my car. This is the car which I drive in America. It's called Malibu Chevrolet. Thank you.
मेरे को बगू इधर ला कम ऑन डूड स्टाइल वगैरह मारे
I know. Dude. Dude.
चलो चलो
चलो
खत्म कर रहे हैं।
इधर फिर से
चलो फिर
चलो फिर
अरे सब वेज खाना है ना
या
हाँ
they are marus so they don't
ओ माडूस
मारवाड़ी
हाँ माडूस हाँ
छोले पूरी
पूरी
दो दो क्यों लिया है तू
काय दो दो
ये और ये
अरुण को क्यों नहीं लिया
एक बस है ना मैन
मैन
रघु खाओ रे
रघु तू कुछ ला
अरे
दे
बट-
हमारे लिए सांबार रसम
रघु एक ये लो ना ऐसा
से लॅम्प नाही लावले वगैरे कम्प्लीट मराठी विकते रे
This is Vaman's car and this is the driver
This is Vaman. Supposedly this is Vaman.
and this is the co-driver who just learned.
ड्राइवर who's lost in direction
Say hello. Hi.
ड्राइवर who got the license yesterday
Yeah.
lost in direction and transmission
Yeah. And this is Suraj
who's a
and he's a co-passenger and this is of course me who's shooting the film and this is Raghu assistant co-passenger. The thing is we are all going for some Chettinadu restaurant to eat pepper chicken.
president Honda
चिट्टिनाडु चिकन
Chettinadu chicken and this is Ganapati Bappa Moria here.
president and CEO Honda Accord
कौन
I am
ये ड्राइवर आगे चल
and I'm CEO of Detroit KPIT Detroit office in coordination with Rob when Rajiv is not here. So that's my designation.
साउथ इंडियन डिलाइट अन्ना लोग आएगा
So we walk it down one by one. Yeah. Please no bad words. The camera is on.
Tell me now then.
Yeah. Because this is a family show.
We will put in a beep.
We are all getting down. This guy jammed the door on me. And this is the driver. The driver is running.
I was just running from right.
Yeah. Driver is running for food.
That's good.
So everybody say hello. Yeah, full video. Done? Yes, I am. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರು ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಮೈಸೂರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಚೆಟ್ಟಿನಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್.
ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇದರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ
ನಂದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಹೋಟ್ಲಿದು. ನಾವು ಬರೀ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ?
Oh, I like that.